Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn the alphabet words. Let us get started. This is apple. A for apple. B. B for ball. Ball. C. C for cat. Cat. D. D for dog. Dog. E. E for elephant. Elephant. F. F for fish. Fish. G. G for giraffe. Giraffe. H. H for house. House. I for ice cream. Ice cream. J. J for jelly. Jelly. K. K for kite. Kite. L. L for lion. Lion. M. M for monkey. Monkey. N. N for nest. Nest. O. O for owl. Owl. P. P for panda. Panda. Q. Q for queen. Queen. R. R for rainbow. Rainbow. S. S for sun. Sun. T. T for train. Train. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella. V. V for van. Van. W. W for whale. Whale. X. X for xylophone. Xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra. Thank you kids for watching. I hope you like it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.